Today on Stuff We Love, we're talking about a rear handle saw. This is Dewalt's 60 volt max, worm drive style rear handle saw. It looks like a real beast. Josh, tell me about it.
Yeah, this is a beast. It's a torque monster. I've been cutting a lot of lumber in the back lately with this in the last month and a half. I've had very good luck with it. This is part of the 60 volt max, 20 volt max lineup. These batteries, I feel like they go forever. You know, Dewalt has that saying, sort of like corded tools powered, you know, cordless tools are like powered, and I really feel that's the way they're going with everything. I mean, we're getting into 7 1/4 inch saws now. With the torque we're getting out of these batteries. Yeah, it's really neat. Now this has got a 53 degree bevel for the capabilities. It's got a 45 degree, it cuts at an inch, just about 1.8 inches. So, so we got the brushless mortar in here. We've got a brake. That's huge. I love the brakes on these things. This thing weighs only 10 pounds with the battery. I mean, for that style of a saw, that's not that much weight, you know what I mean? And the magnesium shoe. So I have another saw that has a magnesium shoe. I don't know what it is about it, but when I cut like SPF stuff, you know, pine, I feel like if sap gets on here, it doesn't get hung up like some of my other saws that do. So that's why I'm a big fan of the magnesium shoe. It's got the dust port that shoots out. You can also clean off so it blows, so like as you turn it on, it'll blow. Did you see? It blows dust off too. So if you're cleaning out a line that you just snapped or whatever you're doing. But
all right,
I gotta
show me how it works.
Good?
I'm good.
Oh my gosh. It's really putting the dust out, isn't it?
Oh, that's like nothing.
That's pretty good.
So quick. Yeah.
For an 1.5 inches of pine to be cutting like that. So, I mean, the thing is just, she's a beast.
Oh, you got your...
She's got the power.
Yep,
you got your hook too?
Yes,
I apologize. I did forget about that. So, the other thing I did want to talk about real quick is that these batteries are the 60 volt, 20 volt max batteries. These fit on the 20 volt max, but they're for the 60 volt tools. You can't take a 20 volt max battery and use them in here. It doesn't matter what size they are. You have to be part of this lineup to use these.
But these work on the 20 volts.
Yes, they work on the 20 volts. You just can't use 20s on this. But man, the power they're getting out of all these tools with their table saws and all their stuff they're using, their chop saws, it's amazing what these 60 volts maxes will do, you know. Yeah. And I'm a big fan of the indicator lights that show, so you know your battery level and stuff like that. Charge time's fast, but you got to admit, for brushless mortar and all this, everything you're getting here, magnesium, that's a pretty light saw.
It's real.
And you saw how fast it cut. I mean, it wasn't even
torquey thing.
Didn't even bog down. Yeah, good job, DeWalt.
So it's a DeWalt Flex Volt 60 volt max worm drive style rear handle saw. Starts $369. You can get it at home centers or dewalt.com. Stay tuned for more Stuff We Love.